This is KPIX serving the city of San Francisco. I am Charlie Blaze, and this is your morning news. The weather for today is going to be a rainy day. Temperatures will be very low in the 40s. And now for the top stories. The power and electricity will go out this night due to the workers accidentally injuring themselves. So make sure you guys have a flashlight or a lamp to make sure you won't be in the dark forever. And also, 3 people have gone missing at midnight. It is unknown of what took them or who is the kidnapper. But make sure you guys lock all doors and have cameras all over your houses, and try to protect your family and friends in case the kidnapper breaks into your home. That's all I have for now. This is Charlie Blaze, signing off.
Come on, we got to find the missing people.
We just need to hear any sounds that they make until we will follow the sound.
Did you hear that?
It sounded like screaming.
I think it's coming from the sewers. Oh my God. It's the missing people.
Sir, wake up.
Officers, be quiet.
Wait, why?
A giant turtle bring the 3 of us here in the sewers, and the sewers is filled with baby eggs.
But why did the turtle bring you guys here?
For food.
We need to get out of here.
The following message is transmitted by the request of the San Francisco Police Department. All residents of the city of San Francisco, get to your homes immediately. At approximately 7:10 p.m., there have been many reports of multiple baby turtles in the city of San Francisco, attacking and killing anyone it sees. No one knows of what caused the turtles to attack, or why the turtles are killing residents. But police officers will get more information on why the turtles are aggressive. All residents are advised to stay in your homes at all time, lock all doors and windows, and try to block any small open areas around your house. If any of the baby turtles are in your house, try your best to get out of the house, and call 911 immediately. Stay tuned for more information about this dangerous rampage situation. The following message is transmitted by the request of the San Francisco Police Department. The situation has got worse and residents need to listen of what I'm going to say. It has now been confirmed that the baby turtles are attacking residents because their mother was captured by the animal control. Without their mother, the baby turtles are getting aggressive without their mother. The turtles are biting residents all over their body. Their eyes popped out. Their stomach was cut wide open with their organs all over the floor. In some cases, their brains will also come out of their head. All residents are strongly advised to lock all doors and windows. Barricade any small entrance. Do not make any noise or sounds. This will trigger the baby turtles on where you are. If they find you, get in your car or run as fast as possible. These baby turtles can run fast. Stay tuned for more information on this serious situation. The following message is transmitted by the request of the San Francisco Police Department. This is a shelter-in-place warning for the city of San Francisco. The baby turtles are now heading to different states in the United States. If possible, there might be a chance that the baby turtles will swim to different countries. They also can bite the tires of people's cars when they are driving away. But the strangest part is that they can attack helicopters in the sky. No one knows of how the baby turtles got in the helicopter, but residents believe that they got there quickly before they can take off. All residents are advised to seek underground shelter in place at all time. The police and military will try to stop the baby turtles from attacking our city. Make sure you have any weapons in case the baby turtles spotted you. If you see the baby turtles anywhere near your area, call 911 immediately. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation.
There are so many turtles.
There is no way we can stop the turtles.
Alright guys, let's stop the turtles.
Now, fire.
I think I'm safe.
Dang, what was that loud explosion? Oh no, the turtles are coming after me.
Please, don't eat me. No, no, no please.
Thank you guys for saving me.
No problem, Charlie.
As long as we are in the helicopter, the turtles cannot destroy the helicopter.
Yeah, what could go wrong?
Oh no.
It's a good thing I have a parachute. As long I'll land in a roof, I'll be fine.
None of the ammo works on the turtles. Oh no, they're coming.
The following message is transmitted by the request of the San Francisco Police Department. This is a civil emergency message that has been issued for the city of San Francisco. The turtles are destroying the entire state, including Alaska and Hawaii. The military have told us that the baby turtles are immune to gun bullets. They say that if they don't find their mother in time, the United States will be destroyed and abandoned by the baby turtles. This is a very dangerous situation. The police officers are on their way to try and find their mother before everyone and everything will be gone. Either way, All residents are strongly advised to turn off all lights in your house. If possible, hide in a closet or a bathtub, and don't make any noise. If you hear any noise or anything that you hear, don't hesitate to go out to find the noise, or else the baby turtles will attack you. If you hear more baby turtle sounds in your house, call 911 immediately. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation.
The unfamiliar road could be the same place you get lost and find yourself. There might be bumps, there might be bruises, but at least you'll have a story to tell. Time will slip on by if you're stuck here living life with too much caution. And I know you know that those wings, they were made for walking. Always safe where you are, but safe only gets you so far. What if you look your fears right in the eye? Say you'll see them another time. What if for once you can find a piece of you that you've been hiding? What if you
The following message is transmitted by the request of the San Francisco Police Department. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. All residents in the city of San Francisco, evacuate immediately. The turtles have taken over the city and now they are going to destroy the rest of the cities of the United States. Police officers said that their mother was found, but they need to lead the baby turtles to follow their mother all the way into the ocean. But for right now, all residents are strongly advised to evacuate immediately. Gather the necessary supplies, such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, first aid kit, a fully charged cell phone, phone chargers, and a battery power radio. The military will try to lead the baby turtles to their mother. If they don't lead the turtles, then the whole country will be destroyed. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation. God bless America. We hope that we will be safe. Administrative message. The following message is transmitted by the request of the San Francisco Police Department. All clear. I repeat, all clear. The turtle rampage has officially ended. Police officers have successfully led the baby turtles to their mother, and they all went back to the ocean. The military have confirmed that they put a giant net in the ocean, so the turtles won't come back to the city. You are now free to leave your shelters or your home. It will take approximately more than 5 years to repair all the damage that the baby turtles caused, like car damage, fire, buildings collapse, and gas stations explosion. We thank you for participating in the emergency alert system. Normal programming may now resume.